Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI here with the most beautiful fruit bowl I have ever seen. Let me tell you about it.
So my favorite fruit bowl is made by Kiwi. It comes in many different colors. And I just want to highlight some things that are exceptional about this fruit bowl. First of all, it is beautiful. Second of all, I can fit a whole lot of fruit in it. My family, especially my kids, eats fruit like crazy. So that's a good thing. But I am constantly refilling it. I'm constantly putting new different fruits in there for my kids. So I'm showing you how much I can fit in here. And there's still room for more to put in there. So it holds a lot. That's good in my book. Here is a close-up view of just how beautiful this bowl is. I love the design on the inside. It's made of bamboo, so it's very lightweight. And it's durable. I've put it through a lot, and it's still going strong. I personally love things that are made of bamboo. I love the way that they feel, the way that they look, and the way that they sound. So there's a lot of different things you can use this for. You can use it as decor, you can use it as a fruit bowl or a salad bowl or other things around the home.
So I absolutely love this fruit bowl. I want 10 of them around my house. They're lightweight, they are beautiful, and they're functional, and that's my point of view.